Hello everyone. Today we are back in Long Grove, Illinois. Now we've done a few videos here in Long Grove. One referencing a campaign to save the Long Grove Bridge. Well, recently, the Long Grove Bridge was designated a historic landmark. Then, this just happened. That's right, just weeks after the Long Grove Bridge was designated a historic landmark, a truck that was not authorized to ran through the bridge and destroyed it. Of course, there is a sign here that says no truck or buses are allowed. But of course, that did not stop this truck, driven by a 30-year-old, to go through. And there you go. That is the current state of the Long Grove Bridge. Very sad indeed. This bridge is a staple of not only Long Grove, but all of Lake County. And I'm sure they will be restoring this bridge very soon. And I look forward to coming back here and vlogging again when it is done. Thank you for watching this video. Click the like button to support the Long Grove Bridge. And don't forget to check out Memories by Wayne on Facebook and Instagram as well. Thank you for watching.